in this 2011 Corolla, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect your new iPhone to the stock radio over here, so you can listen and stream all your music or podcasts through the radio without any sort of wires or connections. So right now let me show you, we'll play something from the Pandora. So that's what it sounds like from the phone. And we'll turn on the car radio. Right now we have the radio set at 87.9, which just matches the setting on the transmitter itself. So all you have to do, simply connect this device onto the phone and hit play. That's all you have to do. You'll be able to stream music from Pandora or Spotify.
The next 30 minutes are ad-free, thanks to the following sponsor.
What? I can pour the champagne on my phone and it still work.
You can, additionally, this device also offers a very cool feature, which is talk hands-free. So you simply ask Siri to dial the number for you like this. Just ask Siri to dial, Siri, call Tony. So you see that it is actually making the call right now.
Calling Tony Ma.
It's a bit loud. See that it's going?
Hello?
Hello, hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, great.
Can you hear me through, how does it sound?
Yeah, sounds really well.
Okay, great. I'm doing a demo on the hands-free feature. Okay, can you call me back, please?
Sure, I'll call you right back.
All right, thanks. Bye-bye. So we hang up. You can hear that the conversation or the talk is actually coming through the car speakers loud and clear. And this is all done without wires or any sort of connection. Now we're waiting for him to call back so you can hear what it sounds like or what it does when we receive the phone call. So you see that the phone is, we got a phone call right now, and all we have to do is hit answer. Accept. Hello?
Hello?
Hey,
Can you hear me?
what?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear very well. How does it sound on that end?
Yeah, it sounds really clear.
Okay, great, awesome. Thank you for calling me back. Okay, thanks.
Yeah, thanks.
Bye-bye. So you can hear that now. As soon as we stop, the music comes back on.
Kenny, I'm about to put you in a fish tank. What?
We can also use it to iHeartRadio.
There's just so much goddamn weight on my shoulders, all I'm trying.
So you can use this device to stream music from your phone through your older car radio without Bluetooth or an aux input. You simply get this device from my website, iPhonefmtransmitter.com. iPhone from the iPhone 7 and connect it to my device. So we connect this to the dongle, and then we'll connect it to the iPhone 7. Then all you have to do is set your car radio. Make sure your car radio is set at 87.9. Then we're ready to go. Find the app that you want to use. So we'll go to iHeartRadio and we'll hit play. You can use the volume control on your phone to adjust the volume. You can also use the car radio. You can hear that the music's coming through loud and clear, and the bass is deep, the pitch is high. The music is not muddy, the music is CD quality, unlike anything else on the market. Listen to the sound quality. Additionally, this device will also allow you to talk hands-free, and you can see that on a different demo. Now let me show you how you can integrate a GPS functionality from your phone right through your older car radio. So all you have to do is ask the Siri to navigate for you. So in this case, we'll tell Siri, "Hey Siri, take me to Union Square." And you'll hear the GPS.
Directions to Union Square Park. Starting route to Union Square Park. Head south on La Playa Street, then turn left onto Fulton Street.
You'll hear that the GPS instructions actually come through your car speakers loud and clear, while the music fades out a little bit. So you can use my device to stream music, talk hands-free, as well as integrating GPS functionality right through your older car by using my device. Once again, you get this device from the link below, and this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye. Today we're in Tony's car, and it's a Toyota Corolla. What year is this?
2011.
It's a 2011 Toyota Corolla. And this is a basic model without Bluetooth or an aux input. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect your new iPhone to the car radio without Bluetooth or an aux input. So when you get this, you'll get it in a box like this, and you simply remove the device from the box and set your car radio. Okay, you want to make sure that the car radio is set to 87i, which just matches the setting on the transmitter. Then all you have to do is simply connect this device to your phone like this. Choose the music that you want to hear. We'll go to okay, we'll choose Pandora right now, and we'll hit play. You can control the volume. You can hear that the music's coming out loud and clear without any sort of a static or distortion. We can pause it, play. So this is how easy it is to connect your new iPhone to your older car radio without Bluetooth or aux input. You simply use this device, connect this device onto your phone, and you're ready to go. Tony here just got an iPhone 10, but he's not ready for a new car yet. So we're going to show you how you can connect this new iPhone 10 to this car radio without Bluetooth or an aux input. You simply get my gadget and connect it to the dongle that comes with your iPhone 10. Plug my gadget into the dongle and make sure that you snap, and then plug the dongle into the new iPhone 10. Make sure you set the car radio to 87.9. And now all you have to do is fire up the music that you want to play. So hit play, please. Now let's turn it up a little bit. You can hear that the music is coming through loud and clear without statics or any humming noise. You can also use this gadget to connect to stream music, talk hands-free, and add GPS navigation functions, all from this device through your car radio without Bluetooth or an aux input. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hook this up into my charging port here. And I'm going to play some music. We're going to see how this goes. No static, nothing. Nice and clear, crisp. And then, oh, it gets better. It gets better. Hey, Siri. Wake her up. Hey, Siri. Play Ronald Isley, I Need You. So you can even talk to Siri and control Siri right through your speakers, through the Gadget Guy. So, as you see, guys, real-time review, happy with the product. Again, if you do not have an older car with those auxiliaries in there already or Bluetooth, and you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars replacing your radio, this gadget is an ultimate alternative. It costs $90. Yes, it's more than what you see on the market for the $20 and $30. But guess what? I don't mind paying a little bit of more money. I don't mind paying $90 to actually hear my music clearly. That's why it costs more than the things on the market, because as we know, things on the market in this caliber, all you hear is static in the mix of music, and this is not the case. So you get what you pay for, guys. Thanks.
Are you still listening to crappy local radio, or worse, sitting in silence? Well, what are you waiting for? Try my gadget. My gadget will allow you to play anything from your phone right through your older car radio without Bluetooth or an aux input or any wire at all. Simply connect my gadget onto your phone and you'll be able to listen to Pandora, iHeartRadio, Spotify, YouTube, anything, audio books right through your car radio without aux input or Bluetooth. Simply connect my device onto your phone and you'll be able to listen to and enjoy your music through your commute or any whenever you listen to the radio. So don't wait any longer. Try my gadget out. I'm sure you're going to be very happy with it. Thank you very much.